still have hope with the plate otolayo and they still have the intolo ukuthi kumele ngilande plate kumagogo before magogo akhiza. I mean, like, how does it feel going about?
It hurts, bro. Obviously, it hurts. It hurts very much. It hurts very much. So I don't have much ways to explain about, but it hurts. Very much. Omunye umuntu angangibona ngibamba la estradini athi ayibona lo yayithani yawo bepatakaza ukuthi langa phakathi kwami impilo njani. So that's why angazi not this thing ukuthi I'm seeking for help. Ngiyabhema ngisho ministro sisodwa afike nale rock usizo Skodong alibeke le rock athi shell yazi mnandi njani. So nami sengifuna ukwenzani experience lobu mnandi.
Lava subise ukuthi yambulala bethu.
Singizama speculating so makhosha na.
Leyo bengifuna Joe we leave no stone unturned.
Can't say it.
So if it happens, you just need a help for somebody that can take you to a rehab. Because there is a rehab like what we pay, but bafasa ngama chain or something.
Uzulu prayami Uzulu ama ouch ayile kaZulu basenga explainilanga kangako ukuthi uZulu sebenza kanjani.
But
he gave you most of the guys baba quitile. Some of them they go back.
Uzulu,
but
I
think the way ngezwa ngakhona ngathi I medication uyazithengela and then yena ngathi ukusupplier ukhona ukusupplier ngegawulo. And then ngalento ayisebenzisayo yeah the security nalento ayisebenzisayo ukuthi niquite ngoba naye bathi umzalwana ngisho. So I don't know what he's using ukuthi uquite amanzi swasho ioil what you see ukuthi uquite, but some of the guys baquitile and some of them backran until today since ababiya kaZulu.
So when you can't do it on yourself, you just need help so that you can stop smoking.
Bruh, I don't know if some other people will understand the situation that I'm in. It's not as if mfuna that quality help, that expensive help. But mina the help. Soda, I think one of the guys called Soda. Ngati bam train out of system. Ngati bam faka e-trip or e-detox.
Yeah.
That's the thing that I want to flush this drug thing out of the system, bro. You understand?
Then you can be able to live a normal life.
The way I'm telling myself, I would never go back. The way I'm telling myself.
No, that's good.
I would never go back.
You need to be positive.
Because yes, that's the thing. And ngicabangela ugogo wami, ngicabangela mina, ngicabangela that person whosoever who took me and spend her money or his money or whatever he did, ukuthi ngibe right. But that help. I seek for that help, guys. I seek for that help with all of my heart.
That's really, maybe they can be able to.
I seek for that help. I'm crying, but I can't show ukuthi ngiyakhala about it. But inhliziyo yami is bleeding, fucking bleeding, bruh.
So
you know the life. You know the life we've been through. You used to take us. You wash your car. Mfethu ngithengele izimpahla ngiphi izimpahla and indwanga amathekisha kurosawa madizili sihambe sespring sishaye round emajozi sishaye round bama Witbank sisibuyele ngaba ma10 sisiphuzele December time we drink. It's been far, bro, you know. It's been far, bro. So back at those days, in fact, I remember those days, you know.
So how was life after ukufahlaka? Bosu spina ngangera after kubuye jele. Then you starting a new life.
No, I didn't. Listen, nigga, I didn't start a new life. Fahla wami ukuphuma kwami efahlakeni, I continue with the life that I was living before ngifahla.
Hayi ukuthi bosaba ukuthi washaya ibrak uzophinda ufahlake vile.
I continued. Asho sengibonile ukuthi ejele kumnandi. Not as if like kumnandi. Inyawupe sayithola. Yabona into zokubhema sazithola nangitholile layo imali nangwashile lezo mpahla lapha ejele yabona inyawupe sayithola bakhona abo private basibhekela ngamagwayi yabona $20 inyawupe. No man, bakhona bangenayo abasha siyabagwajisa wena oza la wena yabona sathenga ipintshi lapha siyabhema abanye bangena nazo from outside. You see ngabona ejele ngathi hayi musejele akuchusi. I continue with the life because I've already experienced a life yama drugs. You know it drugs linjani Brian. Once it's almost an experience of a lifetime. You know what I mean? It's almost an experience of a lifetime.
What do you mean by that?
I mean it's almost an experience of a lifetime.
It drugs.
Bro.
Shuthi uchaza ukuthi ngale way
yabona ikuku
simnandi ngakhona.
Yeah.
Ikuku lenzana
yabona ikuku.
Yeah.
Yabona ikuku. Once you've been addicted, Usher, I don't know, sorry to beg example Usher, but is far away from us. You're South Africa. Usher, I think on story ngasiva, but we are good rehab sex, or he was in sex addiction. Because he was in sex addiction. You saw this story.
No.
Yeah, Usher problem. He was in sex addict because every girl he featured in his music video, he goes and fuck it. Young John, he goes and fuck it. He goes even R. Kelly. Look at R. Kelly. What happened to R. Kelly? Same story. So that is why I'm saying this is almost an experience of a lifetime, bro. Once you experience this thing, the plug lakon, it's so difficult. How many times guys?
The problem is it plug. Or is it
The problem it's the addiction. It's down. It's down. It's the down. It's down problem. Problem is down. Okay, i-plug as in i-plug sokumqondo.
No ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi into ekhosta inkinga ama-withdrawals or ukukhumbula i-plug.
Yeah, ile into engifuna ukuchazisela yona. Ama-withdrawals bro. Ukuthi ubuyele i-plug ukuthi ubuyele i-plug because ayisho mina Joma ngithi ngifuna ukuthi aphume out of system. Asilasa waphumile out of system labo phela sengiyakwazi ukuzilalela, ngiyakwazi ukuzidlela without ukuthi ngibheme eqala before ngidla, uyangithola sengiyakwazi ukuzenzela yonke into yami like natural.
So ukuthi nangabe uthi problem ukuthi ukhumbula i-plug, so it simply mean that noma ungajinda uyokhumbula le plug bese uyobhema
uyofuna ushaka i2 uthi ngishayeka i2. Smanga, listen to this words. It's almost an experience of a lifetime. So you have to tell yourself, no, if I quit, I forget about everything. Don't ever say, don't ever say that. Don't ever say that. Don't ever say, bro, I'm not sure you are in your own well. Ikuku is natural, limnandi. It's nature, limnandi. It's nature. So inyawupienza kancane. It's natural. Italo uNkulunkulu. You know what I mean? It's nature. Italo uNkulunkulu. So we can ayeke speak into italo uNkulunkulu. Yeah, it's better if I got addicted to sex, bro, rather than inyawupe, rather than drugs, bro. Yeah. I'd rather go.
So what was your hustle then after ubuye Danyana? Ngoba nguzumention
angibuye Danyana bro. Angibuye Danyana ngaqala ngasibamba ngishitshelwe yazi nalo nobuhlungu bani. Ayilibhlungu iDanyana bro. Phela slepe. You say I don't know if yasazi slepe. Usesamendeni.
Phezulu.
Ngiyabanda. Uphansi. Barufe ngisamende. Uyangithola bro. Dayideng if ever ama brain cells wakho are not functioning well, mhlambe ngabe uyistolene esikolweni, ungakondemeka. Uba worse, ungakondemeka. Itshele ngakondem. Wesiphathi nabakufaka emakulukuthi. Emakulukuthi mhlambe sisel like this. Futhi leli likhulu. Mhlambe like so.
Just you.
Toilet. Toilet. Indawo yokulala.
Like masibone ma TV ve
ibase like inbone ma TV kulukudu if nangabe usiclever omqondo wakho nangabe uslowly uzohlanya bro wami end up killing yourself like uzishaya emirine or uzihenge uthola into neto ungazenga ngayo or wenze something uzibulale esan angazi ngabe bekhona awuchewa ngibuzela ukuthi how many guys who died emakulukudu
no majita yachafa
you know guys ayingakamajita afele emakulukudu ayingakamajita afele ejele bazokutshela ukuthi ungena lapha eshawa lapha kunesibhoko
sibhoko kanjani
umuntu kunomuntu owazikhunga lapha maye bathi kuyapoka lapha eshawa ageze ebusuku ePaxstand ageze ebusuku ngiyakuza ukuthi eshawa ebusuku ePaxstand ngokuthi ukuthi number 7 inesibhoko ayongena uthi yoshawa lapha hayi akutshela uzobo awazi uyaphuma ngeshort lapha ndoda ungena eseleni ngompipi ama-out abhakhe blind yakutshela jo yabona. So some other things wena Simanga yabona itshele nalo nendaba zalo nezinto zalo. So nangiphuma ukhasila kwami Brian ngaqala ngazibambanyana kancane yabo plus ngapha abantu sebanemsebenzi ebhayi yabona sisaqala sicela ama-2 ke manje sibambisa abantu umthwalo yabona kancane yabona cause there's one thing I forget cause kulokuspina lokho bengikecaleni there's this one of my mina ngishonele bangana bayi2 one of my guy bokusifisa umbonani and they give my sebang blame bathi mina ngamdlisa besikusini sabamba intombazane inkulu
wamdlisa like ngokuthi
bathi mina ngambulalise yes and by the time uSifiso Mbonani by the time he was older than me.
And uSifiso ngifunde naye.
Usifiso was 25 years old by the time, if I'm not mistaken, but me now I was 20 years.
Yeah, kodwa benginaye classini mara makazobhora ngathi bese sicedile isikele.
Besengicedile bese yeah lapho imatric besingishayile nami besingishayile uyangithola. So usisi wakhe wafanga amathi mina ngimbulalisa.
Kahle kwenzakalani Cleansharp la?
So nasibamba le ntombazane inkunzi sayibamba inkunzi sithatha ifone sithatha imali ibheki. So by the time besengena itechnology yamanje ama touch screen.
Yeah.
It was C6 if I'm not mistaken. So uyenze ifind my phone.
Yeah.
So itracker or find my phone
my device.
Yangithola yes. So nasiphethe phone uSifisa uphethe phone ngiphethe 600 ibhek seyinkuthuzile siyakhuphuka. And nasifika la ngakazefa there's this supermarket called Gazefa. Before sofika la Gazefa na icareer vela and then it approaches. Nice approacher. Should mina ngithatha le phone ngithi Sifiso choma bayifonela so le phone. La mafoni manje man anama tracker nanana. Awuthi ngikhipha sim card nangisakhipha sim card nabo abantu bahlike emotweni 5 of the guys basibamba. Yabona nabasibamba sona same time mina ngenzeni ngiphunyuka basale nobani uSifiso shaya indu abantu zakhe basabuzayo ukuthi hey lo achoose wakho manje lo achoose wakho Snayibani lo achoose wakho Snayibani lo achoose wakho uhlalaphi kwenzakalani ngayo ubani in thatha uSifiso ile time wabhoda by the time uSifiso zathi uMaskoba umunye bese ngispina naye ohisi ngasuke lokushini
uSifiso bamganda mara
bamganda
ngoba ngizwa ngathi amareli wakhe.
No, I don't know if Mareli or njani. Amareli wakhe ngathi wona usho lo muntu esimbamba inkunzi. Yeah, lo muntu esimbamba inkunzi was boyireli laSifiso. Aneta angazi ukuthi bahlobana kanjani. Uyangithola but boyireli bekhona ubuhlobo phakathi. Nathi we didn't know ukuthi kuyahlutshwana, we just found out nasikenzekile yonke lento. Nabo naseba Chuti amareli wakhe bona bebazi ukuthi isihlobo sethu mara bamshaya knowing ukuthi this guy is one of our relative but bamshaya bambulala. So here comes one of my guys again uMaskoba ke yena bambulala kuphi eWitbank. Naye ngimtshela ukuthi apra wami mina phela ngihleli eWitbank pra mara bengagangi because ngiyawazi ama-outs eWitbank nawo wasephola bafuna ukuyisa ngenhloko bathi ayambushalo yambuyenza kanti bakubhayisa. Bayazi ukuthi isituation yaseWitbank njani and Dome nje Maskoba umnganami ubalekela long distance and long distance ofeature rafu bra wami long distance wangashaya iphone bangatletshala le phone uthi ayangifuni mina ngifuna 800 but asina 400 uhambe kusasa uyothina udawu lapha bakuvimi and then uzogamula ibulawe Maskoba wabhoda kanjalo
ukuthi into oshaya ibhelasi walibhayisela abantu
wathi ulibhayisela first Pelas afike eWitbank wathi ulithengisela uMageza wathi ufuna 1000 na uMageza bathi sine 800 uMaskoba wahamba. The second Pelas wathi alishaya abomageza bamvimba bathi nabamvimba bathi wena uyadlala samba nawe wena
ngoba last walile
mara ngeke bamtshela ukuthi last walile neta abomageza ngisho nabo banomqondo wabo
bamkhumbule ukuthi ya
baya sibamazi vele ukuthi lo vele udila ngamafoni uyangithola bamgamula ke wabhoda kanjalo uMaskoba sibamframe ngani ukuthi ushaye intombazana usisi wabantu ifoni kanti ushaya umlungu on the stop sign umlungu ahamba zankayingena indaba yakhona kanti uMageza bambhekile nakafohla lapho bathi vimba bambama bathi usisi wakhona ukuphi usisi wakhona akabonakala ifoni abathi bayibheka inomlungu phakathi but ushaya usisi. So those are two of the guys I bengibaskimile. So kuNkulunkulu that's why I'm seeking for help Joe. I'm enough Joe.
So manje makwenzeka lezo zinto lezo wena which year was it?
Kusifiso it was 2000, it was after World Cup 2011.
But still you continue with drugs and all that. Into kwenza ukuthi
I was addicted by the time. Bese ngine down. Down ngisho bese kuyinto vele khona ephila kwami. So I was lapho bese ngifita le habit esenginayo. Yabona ukwita bengingacabanga ukwita cause bengazi ukuthi kunama super text nama methadone ngoba izinto zamanje lezo. But ama rehab besazi ukuthi akhona. Yangibamba but I didn't think besazi ukuthi ama rehab were for expensive people. Yabo for i-government I wasn't aware ukuthi khona ama rehab we-government accommodate abantu abanganamali ngithola. So mina rehab kimi towards me i-rehab ngitshela ukuthi umuntu onemali oye rehab ngithola. So I continue smoking till today.
But what puzzles me is ukuthi you did know ukuthi kunabo archers bakho bagangayo bayabhoda and noma abanye babaganga bafahlaka yet you still continued and beside that uyayazi i-condition yasedladleni ukuthi njani umagogo
iyangithinta kakhulu simanga dayideng iyangithinta kakhulu. That is why ngithi iqaleni, if I remember correctly, if you remember now YouTube bengithi lento le ukuthi ngithi lento le engithi ngikhipha stress kiyo bra wami. No, angisikhiphi ngiyasibanga. Nangicabanga isituation esendlini manje. Ngicabange nalezi zinto esengizenzayo. Cabange nalabo I choose ngidayazi in foot tag man. Futhi senginalento le ukuthi yazi empilweni sengitshela ukuthi ngidafok impilo. Yangithola. But manje yabona lento le ukuthi fok impilo akusi solution bro. It's not a solution. Impilo bro, it's nicer than ama drugs. Small life bro, it's more than imnandi ngendlela emangalisayo life.
So when
like for example like you guy, like you yabona wena bese uqala ukuba i-role model yami. Futhi ngikubona bra yami une medal lakho, une ingqosi zakho, the way treat ingqosi zakho ngakhona, the way iphila ngakhona. Futhi bekunalento kimi ukuthi umuntu usimanga ampura ngaba intanga yami. But look at the life he's living. Okay, uNkulunkulu angasiphanga ngifana imsebenzi usimanga wathi naqeda isikolo zankaye kuma tertiary zakhe wathola isipani semchama and isipani sim-affordayo 6 grand. Uyabona? Okay right, mara impilo uyayilwela bro wami ukuthi ube grand. Maintain
mina
and then when it's not as if you were earning that much money like you ukhola bo 40,000. No nigga, that little that you have, but when the way usebenzisa mentality yakho ngakhona, you could afford the children, you could afford the house, you could afford the car, you could afford the life bro, and you were living the life. Nice life. Uyangithola bro. That's why I dig you so much Sonja. That's why I dig you so much Sonja.
So manje because ngiyabona ukuthi when it comes to indaba zomthetho and respect usesenayo njengoba uthi siyashuta no by 8 o'clock kumele kube sesejardini ngoba uyazi umagogo uzokhiya.
Bro,
it shows ukuthi you still
you know why
able to think.
Yes, you know why. It's just that ukuthi the more isikhathi sihamba bro lobucayi loba kimi sebeyaphuma uNkulunkulu sekayafika kimi ukuthi ena man yabona lezi zinto obuzenza fuck about those things. Usathane lobe kadlala ngawo manje ntwani life is so bro so sikhathi ngicabangela umagogo ke manje ukuthi hayi man mina yazi mina bengifuck umagogo and luckily she's still alive. So
if it happens uyachinda no.
Yes.
Iminyaka evayile maybe you wasted 18 years of
don't
your
even
life.
mention. Yes.
What you gonna do?
Bro.
Phela manje suqala from scratch.
Bro George yabona ke simanga uyangithinta lapho bro into esikhuluma nomagogo. Umagogo into engihlale ngimtshela ukuthi yazi manje wesekungakhona ama drugs. Ngiyafisa ukwayekela ne. But into engisabayo uma ukuthi samele ngicasela life phansi. And ebheka amantanga zami zikuphi. Uyazi ukuthi uqala life phansi ukuthi kubhlungu njani. Kumele ngiqale ngiyenzeni. Bheka ke athini? Adayi mntanami. Yabona once ungayekela ama drugs. Thina sizohereza sokole. The day uzothola umsebenzi. Ila uzobuyela khona ingqondo ukuthi hayi man impilo athi ngenze so. So uzosala uyicover phambili wena uqhubeke nayo.
Yeah, because when I understand ukuthi impilo you grow gradually understand what life is about, how is it to be a family. That is why at some point ukuthi if ever ungakabanga nenqosi. It won't be easy ukuthi udate umuntu onenqosi ngoba but once ukuthintana umntwana and uyothandana nomuntu onomntwana omncane it's going to be easy. So when it comes to you impilo wena so ibamba phela almost uphile half of your life.
Half of my life already.
You understand? So and azange ufunde ukhuphuke nayo ukuthi okay at this stage kumele ngibe yithanda.
Yes. Experience that thing.
Yes. When akusamele.
That is why I wanna quit, bruh. That is why I wanna quit. You know that thing you're mentioning. That is why I wanna quit, bruh. I've experienced life yama drugs more than enough, bruh. I'm fine now. Now it's time to experience the life. So even noma sengizoyireacha in that level, but ngizosale ngithatha ngisale ngiqhubeka nayo. Yabona uNkulunkulu ngibona ukuthi uyongiqhubekisa until kuphi. But kule minyaka le engiyo uNkulunkulu if ever nangabe usangcina I could live more than ukuthi lobunzima bengibo lo abantu bangibone kushuthi uNkulunkulu nakasangcinile kushuthi sengizoyenzela lokuthi abantu labe baje ukuthi ayigengekele sengizoyenzela lokuthi bangibone ukuthi manje sengiphila lempilo lena and then manje abanye ngabadabula bro because some other people they do not have mind imali nabayithola nje they misuse imali just for fun just for people just for ama show off you see so abanye abantu basifundisa empilweni bro some of them ma role model with like you siyabonga ukuthi imali empilweni uyisebenzisa so bro ukuthi uphile impilo ube sharp
yeah because into usamenshina indaba yokuthi there are people ababhekayo because mina uyazi ngiploma namajita because I remember the other day back in the days kwafika umunye umjita ngiplome nani yabona uruwe ulizwa umcela inkawuza and the way lo mjita antitha ngakhona I was like bro amajita you can't be treating amajita
human beings now yes
and njengoba usho ukuthi nathi job esisipanayo only to find out ukuthi umuntu uyi-operator la khona if ever i-job uyayilose and now you can get that job because akadinga ama-qualifications to do that job. But that is why I don't undermine amajita afana nani because I know at the end of the day lo muntu lo mangatshintsha maybe i-lifestyle yakhe angadlula when
yes definitely
intellectually
definitely yes bro
you
understand ama-drugs yes ngiyakuthola bro
so manje how do you get your next fix or how do you manage to ubheme futhi njengoba ungasipani and usankawuza and ngelanga ubhema ngakhe mfethu or how much do you smoke a day?
I want this thing chuthi the more iminyaka ihamba Brian ne lamathaya wasashayi yabona manje chuthi manje sesibhema neroku iroku chuthi na ubhema iroku lifuna nethaya yabona chuthi ngasho mina ukuthi ngilanga 8 yamathaya nyawubhema
of which how much that is
of which is 4 8 12 16 20 24 28 32 320 plus amaroka mhlamba yi6 of which is malini 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 3 plus 6 7
a day.
Daily.
And you manage to make that money?
Ngizoyenza bro, I'm definitely ngizoyenza for a day. Even mhlambe 1.2 ngilanga ngayidla.
Yakena kunabantu abasipanayo who don't make that money a day.
Yakena khona enye out nini ngicela imali ne. Yade wena masisenda akho ungazungijwayela ka wena. Yonke le mali oyidla every day leyo ispinayo la idlula lo mkholo wami lo ngudlayo ngathi shit damn it. Ngathi inkosi yami mari imali engaka waye umuntu beyangayibeki sonke lesikhathi ngabe mayisenguku nempilo. Yes, definitely there are some guys who do not earn such money.
Akaze ngibuza umuntu this question. Alayinele grand ukuthi why ungashayi rock yodwa or ushaye inyawupe yodwa? Why do you have
bro again buza ama outside payment this thing. Kukhona abalibhema irock lilodwa but those guys lama funkiness lama cheese boy bona balithole vele bangabhemi ipintshi mhlambe balibhema nensangu omunye ubhema nensangu uyehlisa ngensangu ubhema irock ayehlisa omunye lehlisa ngebhiya ngithola so thina ama Nigerians those guys bro bayenze ngenye indlela i-drug you see ngathi le rock balenzela ukuthi vele ukuthi ubhema le rock uyehlisa ngalipintshi kumnandi blind bro kumnandi blind na ungehlisi unaso uyijwayele nepintshi na ungehlisa uzoraraza chuthi kuzoba nalento ethi yehlisa kuthola ipintshi ukuthi yehlise le rock and you will feel the difference so black kakhulu you'll feel the difference ufaka le rock you'll feel the difference
but ngoba before bekunenyawo kuphela irock
bayenza irock angazi ukuthi baliteste ngobani ukuthi izwa lento ukuthi na uhlanganisa nepintshi kuzoba na this connection between the two naso bhemile rock nethai angazi kwenzakala uzobuzwa lobumnandi those guys I don't know mina ukuthi bayithatha up lento lena too I don't know serious
so when ufaka ubani ukuthi I think imix fike lapho ugcine so I think the rock and tie
I sure the most bona ama gang bro amabhem the most bona ama gang abrema ngithi awuthingizwe le rock uyazi ama out kanjani bro this thing ama out I demon kakhulu umuntu ujomba ngiyabhema ngisho mina istrosi sodwa afike na le rock usize sikodonga alibeke le rock athi albem athi shell yazi mnandi njani so nami sengifuna ukwenzani experience lobumnandi nami awuthingizwe lapha ngigamlele cha nami ngiyabeka nami sengiyezwa ayingezwa manje lobumnandi lobu but alikwenza ukuthi ube high irock awubi high but this thing ukuthi ube hyperactive ungabi slow ukuthi kushaya ipintshi lenye ayilengisi kushaya ube hyper and then nasihlangene nethai bro it's another thing
nandi
bro
the fucking knife
fucking knife ay laba yabona ama Nigeria fuck ama Nigeria bro fuck those guys.
Speaking of ama Nigeria since kune match and match lebafuna labantu bavayo what's your take on that?
Yeah, mina vele mina bengimtshela umagogo ngithi ya magogo yazi at least if I would know ukuthi there are no drugs. Yangibamba bro. Ngeke ngazi la ukuthi ngiwatholaphi. Noma bangathi uitenka weke Middelburg weko la ipola weke Telmasa weke Krila weko Petala weko kube ne solution ukuthi ya eJozi kusalayo khona laseJozi angabi khona. Mhlambe batakhona le Cape Town ufikele yini Cape Town ethi ukuthi uthenga 5 yamanyawupe
ngahayi kamusnike
ngeke hayi bro wami that definitely for ukunqama fama for ukunqama le ukunqama ngaleyo ndlela simanga no guy come on.
But why do you have to ukuthi into ayikho ukuze
it's better that way ayisho manje sesikhulumelana simanga sesikhulumela ukuthi ngale machine manje.
But truly speaking, even though they can go, i-drugs angeliphela
lizovele lingene Brian mnaka yangena phela babacosha maye mariphat langena babambe umkhumbi we10 billion wahlanya ama Nigeria bro this guy uculani wahlanya ama Nigeria bro wahlanya ama Nigeria bayoshisa kuphi kandaba this guy undaba lo wale machine is this other guy called undaba bahamba boshisa le ikibo orgaki I don't know but ngasive story sakhona
yeah but that was
10 billion
that was fake news.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it was just a burning house, not like good yakhe.
Mina ke nami that fake news I took it as a serious thing.
But the window kangizwe no.
Oh, I took it as a serious thing.
No, you see when something is happening then bese kuba nento eyenzekalayo bese kuba ngathi
yeah, okay. I mean ngithathe like serious because ama rumors vele bisiwa spread kanjani ukuthi kanabandaba.
So when I want to check ukuthi labantu abavayo beside being
let them go
abathengisa ama drugs.
Let them go bro.
Whether umuntu ozela emzansi.
Let them go. Asali ke abanye bro ambazile ngisihle bro. One of the businessmen wathi mina ngafika la South Africa ngathola ngana tuck shop nganani. Ngahlala for 3 months. Ngisebenza khona ngabamba lawo ma-beach job and then ngabona umuzi umama one garage ungananeke ngamcela mama ngicela ukwenza nethi tuck shop lo mama wavuma wathi uzofuna imali ngemonth wathi imali so wavula i-tuck shop wayenza some of the guys are innocent bra but there's this thing basukeleni le makhaya kibo basukeleni some of the guys they made out some of the guys they are wanted some of the guys abanye basukele inhlupheko ke bro because you know poverty there at the other side of Africa it's too much uyangithola bro some others okay basukele poverty ukuthi imali yase South Africa obviously now you convert
but the problem is en Kenya ngalabantu laba ne ukuthi njengokuthi wena basukele poverty it's unbearable from their side mabeze ngayi they take this money back home.
Yeah, they do not invest in like South Africa. Yeah,
that is why umthetho wasemzansi
siwela lokho ukuthi ababhadala ama tax abenzini yes no muntu ozo invest ngapha
ungajona uzofana ngayi ugunda abantu
ibank yabo yibo bro ibank yabo yibo now okay that's the thing ukuthi bawisa umnotho wethu bro definitely that thing is wrong bro definitely that thing ngoba bafuna ukwenza ama ATM latemkhaya
bavaya ngoba manje bathole nentombi ngapha
latemkhaya yeah basitholile intombi bro you must take care of your child bro if he's a foreigner or waseZimbabwe sekuphi you must take care of your child. You must take care of your child, bro. It's your child, it's your blood. Take care of him. Let the mother go and take care.
Manje in closing, bro.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi wena no it's fine you can drink water. Yeah. Ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi if it happens ukuthi uyachinda or maybe like okay what is your advice that you can give in Ngosini ezikhula nabogogo as much as now you did because there are a lot of abantwana bakhula nabogogo
to that generation ekhula manje nabogogo bro what I would like to say to that generation prevent drugs. Okay, it's better. I do not promote who teachers have sex, have kids. No. But most important thing, focus on the school, on education. Sponsor manje, sifuni incwadi, sponsor manje, sifuni paper, sponsor manje, bafethu. You can't just get a job without the paper. Ama drugs, yabona nawuzongena kunyawupe bafethu. Hlala wazi ukuthi uzikhosela istress, khosela ugogo wakhe stress, uzikhosela i-future nje ebheke eceleni enganamphumela enganani. So what I would like to say to the new generation ekhula manje, bafethu, please just have that mind, ngoba nina umqondo wenu ayisi slowly ngaleyo ndlela. I-generation yamayihlakaniphe kakhulu, so niyabona ukuthi sisokola kanjani thina bomalume benu nabobhuti benu in these days. So if ever uzozifaka kule nyathelo esikizo, just it's your own choice. uNkulunkulu eBhayibhelini usiphila i-choice bafethu, it's your own choice. But i-example awufuni ukuthi mina ngibe role model yakho. Just bona abantu abanye bama role model. Mina on the next part you will see me in another way, not like this way. And then ngelinye ilanga ngizabe ngikhuluma nami ebantwaneni bami or ibo brother bami. I used to be like this. No, nigga.
When I read ngicale vele ungajoli nokujola.
Yes manga. No, there are some guys buza bo Moses abantu engifunda nabo. Yo,
no, finish you out of isikole because ukujola kwasesikole kuhlukile. I mean kwasesikoleni kuhlukile nalokho so clever nyana after scale.
Yeah, after
when vele that life yokujola after scale awucafa.
Yeah, after iskela. Yeah, ngasho njalo ukuthi angiyazi. Ngasho njalo brother. Because khona into imentionile ukuthi mina this almost half of my life it was smoking. And that hurts me. That hurts me. In fact, that hurts me. That hurts me big times, man. That hurts me big time. Half of my life, true. And I'm not proud of it.
So, any last words for Umagogo?
Yeah, Umagogo, Magogo, if I could get that help, I'm gonna do this thing for you, man. Because, uncheche wangibeke ekudeni, man. Na 35 namhlanje just because of you. So ma, do not lose hope about me. I wish God angangilondolozela wena until I quit this thing. So just stay positive, believe in me, believe in God. I will do this thing just for you. Uzoba uNkulunkulu wami na one day, and I will do everything for you. And to all the community, to all the guys, please machita bafethu manyencela bafethu. Let's think twice about this thing. Big up.
Because I want us to get real, because there's this question, which how does it feel good, like every time when you spin, ubuye ejampasini, njengokusho ukuthi Magogo still have hope kuwe une-plate olitholayo, and they still have the into leyo ukuthi kumele ngilande i-plate kuMagogo before Magogo akidla. I mean, like, how does it feel going apart?
It hurts, bro. Obviously, it hurts. It hurts very much. It hurts very much. So I don't have much ways to explain about, but it hurts. Ubhlungu, Brian. Ubhlungu. Very much. Omunye umuntu angangibona ngibhampa la estradini. Ayibona lo yayithani yawo bepatakaza ukuthi la ngaphakathi kwami ngimplida nginjani. So that's why angazi not this thing ukuthi I'm seeking for help. Angazi what's this thing le yokhuluma nawo what testa amanga or iqiniso. Yeah, bona nabangaletha like detect nabangaletha leyo nto leyo, and then people will see ukuthi how much I'm desperate to quit this thing if they can give me like because manje umuntu angangibona ngikhuluma so adalo yahlanya ukukhulumisa ukuthi ku podcast uyangithola ukuthi but nabangalethi like detect angabona inhliziyo phakathi kwenhliziyo yami ukuthi ngiplead kangakanani bro ukuthi ngathi 100%. Chisa.
Yeah, guys. Thank you very much. Hope you were able to reach this stage of the episode. Yabona because umchita uyalibeka udaba, and into engichaza ngayo umchita njengoba la, and nami ngiyangikhumbuza lo because people they be like umchita waya interviewer amachita kanje because of amachita they need also a platform. Why kumele sibheke abantu engathi ba clean, why kumele shine ngabanye abantu. Mina lento lengithuna manje something that I did even ngazi ukuthi kune YouTube. Amachita bayanokuza I used to ngibenza ama video and ask them why you doing this, not to say ukuthi ngiyenza lento ngoba kune YouTube. So I'm doing this now because ngifaka ku YouTube because it's something that also I want to show people that I don't care ukuthi ubani unani. I have to choose amachita ngata grand life in Spana ever since mina ngaqala ukuspana. Amachita they know ngisaskim ama day one, whether they are on drugs, whether they are doing good, but I'm that kind of a person. I'm not the person who's ngoba ngitrending ngetrans ngejaza mina ngiskim abantu abanejaza abashadile. No, I maintain this life thing by myself. I don't need a friend to tell me what to do. No, I know most of the things about life by myself. I understand that. So anyway, my faithful, this is Wolf 925 signing out. We're doing it like we're doing it for TV. The podcast that other podcasters
Cheers,
watch. We're about to get emotional.
Chesa manje. Okay. Yeah.
Pushing your palm,